Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and here's our math lesson. All right, let's start with our I can statement. I can tell time to the hour and half hour. What do we need to do to this I can statement? We need to break it down. Say it with me. Break it down. I can. Yes, you can. Tell. So when we tell something, we have to see, look, know, right? We have to see it. Look at it, right? We got to look at it. And we have to know it. Time to the hour. And when it's on the hour, we say o'clock. And we write it the colon, 0, 0. And half hour. And when it's on the half hour, we say 30. Nice job. Great job. All right. Let's read it together. I can see, look, know. Time to the hour, the o'clock, and the half hour, 30. How do we feel about this, boys and girls? We've been working on it so much. Rocking it, Miss Hurley. Rocking it. Love all the practice. Rocking it. In the middle, a little shaky, but I'm feeling a lot better than I was before. Thumbs down. Time is very tricky. And you know what? You're right. It is super tricky. All right, boys and girls, today is a day where we have a sprint. All right, get ready. Because we're gonna sprint. Okay, get a pencil in your hand. Get ready to get moving and grooving on your mark. Gonna start my timer. Get set. Sprint. Here we go. You've got it. Whoop, whoop. All right. Ooh, 1 minute and 30 seconds. You are rocking it. Ooh. 1 minute. Keep going. Get that pencil moving and grooving. Moving and grooving. Ooh, 45 seconds. Getting that countdown, counting down. 30 seconds. Oh boy, keep going. You've got it. 20 seconds. You've got it. Keep going. Yeah. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab a colored pencil or marker or crayon, or you can use your pencil. And we're going to go over this together. All right, let me cover it up. Here we go. All right. Now the first one. 5 plus 6 is 11, moving down. 7 plus 6 is 13, moving down. 8 plus a mystery number is 18. That mystery number is 10, moving down. 9 plus 8 equals 17, moving down. 8 plus 7 equals 15, moving down. All right, 6 plus a mystery number equals 17. That number is 11, moving down. 3 plus 5 equals 8, moving down. 6 plus 1 equals 7, moving down. 9 plus a mystery number equals 13. That mystery number is 4. Last one on this side. 6 plus a mystery number equals 12. That number is 6. Great job. Turn to the other side. Now we're going to do takeaway, subtraction. All right, 10, take away 4 is 6, moving down. 11, take away 3 is 8, moving down. 12, take away a mystery number is 5. That number is 7. Moving down. 17, take away a mystery number equals 6. That number is 11. Moving down. 18, take away 7 equals 11. Moving down. 17, take away 8 equals 9. Moving down. 16, take away 9 equals 7. Moving down. 15, take away a mystery number is 8. That number is 7. Moving down. Woo! 14, take away a mystery number is 6. That number is 8. And the very last one, boys and girls, 13, take away 3 is 10. Great job. You should have your sprint all filled in. Woo! Nice job, boys and girls. Really great job. Okay, please get out, looking for it, your whiteboard and your marker. I'm going to be creating some times on my big clock, and I want you to write them on your whiteboard as a digital clock. Do you think you can do it? I think you can too. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, ready? Alrighty. What time is it? Write it on your whiteboard. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. That hour hand, that short little hand, is on the 7. The minute hand, the big hand, is up on the 12. We know when it's on the 12, it's an o'clock. 7 o'clock. And you would write that like this. 7 with your little colons. 0, 0. 7 o'clock. Ready for another? Ready? We have 7 o'clock. A half an hour. A half an hour goes by. Ready? What time is it now, boys and girls? Look at that. Hour hand is in between the 7 and the 8. You're going to pick the smaller of the two. 7. The minute hand is down on the 6, so we know it is 7:30. Great job. And you would write that like... Great job. 7:30. Woohoo! All right, let's try another. Ready? Okay. What time is it? Look where our hour hand is. It's right on the 1. The minute hand is up on the 12, so we know it is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. How would you write 1 o'clock on a digital clock? Right. You would write 1. You have your two little dots. 0, 0 for 1 o'clock. Alrighty. A half hour goes by, 30 minutes later. Now what time is it? It is, look, that hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2. You're going to pick the smaller number always. So now it is 1 down on the 6. When it's down on the 6, it is 30. It is 1:30. And how would you write that on a digital clock? Just like this. Ready? 1:30. 1:30. Nice job. How are we feeling about this? How do you feel about telling time to the hour and the half hour? Happy? Okay, sad. Show me. Okay, let's do another few. Alrighty. Let's try... What time is it, boys and girls? 4 o'clock. Nice job. And you would write it with the number 4. You got your colon. 0, 0. So it is 4 o'clock. 30 minutes goes by. Now what time is it? 30 minutes goes by. Now what time is it? 4:30. Nice job. 4:30. 4:30. Great job. Amazing. Great, I'm going to get a little trickier now. Ready for your new time? What time is it, boys and girls? Look where that minute hand is. It's down on the 6, so you know it's going to be a 30. That hour hand is in between the 7 and the 8. Pick the smaller number. So it is 7:30. Nice job. I know that was trickier. And you would write 7:30, just like this. 7, you have your colon, 30. 7:30. Great job. All right, ready? Let's try another one. What time is it? The minute hand is down on the 6, so we know it is a 30. That hour hand is in between the 10 and the 11. What time is it, boys and girls? It is, what time? What time did you say? You're right, 10:30. 10:30. Nice job. All right, I have one more for you. Tricky. This one's one that's trying to trick you. All right. Now, what time is it? All right, this one's tricky. Look at where that minute hand is. It's down on the 6. So we know it's a 30. This is the only rule breaker. When we have to know, when it's in between the 12 and the 1, you got to pick 12. I'm sorry to say it, but it's true. When that hour hand is in between the 12 and the 1, you got to pick the 12. I know, rule breakers, rule breakers, rule breakers. So this time is what time? 12:30. Nice job. And you would write that. Am I going to have room yet? 12, colon, you have your 2 dots. 30. 12:30. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, I have a challenge for you. You want a challenge? I thought you might. All right, you have your whiteboard, right? Okay, I've got a little bit of a math story that deals with clocks. I know I'm going a little wackadoodle order, but I thought we should practice reading clock. And now, I've got a story for ya. Ready? Okay. When I left the house to buy groceries, the clock looked like this. And let me show you what it looked like. Here it is. When I left to go get groceries, the clock looked like this. Ready? What time is it? When I left to get groceries, the clock looked like this. What time is this? 5 o'clock. I'll write that on my board. You should be writing it on yours. When I went to get groceries, I looked at the clock and it said this. So it said 5 o'clock when I left to get groceries. It took me 1 hour to buy groceries and come home. What time did the clock show when I arrived home? Use your whiteboard. And if you have your personal clock, you can do it, but they're kind of tricky sometimes. So it was 5 o'clock. I looked at the clock before I went to the grocery store, and it said 5 o'clock. An hour went by. So I need to have my minute hand go one full rotation, one way, all the way around, one time to see what time it'll be when I got home. What time did I get home, boys and girls? Right, 6 o'clock. What time did I get home? 6 o'clock. Don't like that. 6 o'clock. Nice job. That was kind of tricky, right? All right. I have an even trickier one. Are you ready? All right. This one's even trickier. Listen, listen. Okay. School begins at 8:30. So I'm going to make 8:30. Okay, let me make 8 o'clock. I'm going to make 8:30. Okay. There we go. 8:30, right? School begins at 8:30. We have lunch after 3 hours. What time do we have lunch? All right. So we know school starts at 8:30. And I'm going to write this on my board. You should be doing the same. School starts at 8:30. It's like always at an angle. I apologize. I need a better angle. All right, we know, getting excited there. All right, we know school begins at 8:30. After 3 hours, we have lunch. What time do we have lunch? Okay, so we're going to the hours, and we need to add 3 hours. I'm going to go like this. Okay, ready? 8:30. I'm going to go count around how many times? 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What time do we have lunch? Right, 11:30. And you could also do it like this. So we have the 30. We bring that down because there's nothing there. Just bring it down. 8 plus 3 is 11. Are we right, boys and girls? Yes, we have lunch at 11:30. Great job. Okay, erase your board. Please get out your packet. Wednesday, May 6th. All right, open it up. Open it up. All right, it says, what time is it? Write the time beside the clock. Tell time to the hour. So these are all to the hour. All right, I'll do the first couple with you. All right, we know it's to the hour. This first one is what, boys and girls? 4 o'clock. So you'll write 4 o'clock on the digital one. 4 o'clock. Go over. That's the the minute hand is up at the 12. The hour hand is pointing to the 3. What time is it? 3 o'clock. All right, I'm going to let you do the rest on this page because I think you're going to rock it. All right, turn to the back. Write the time beside the clock. Tell time to the half hour. All right, so these are all going to be 30, right? Okay, look at the first one. The hour hand is in between the 3 and the 4. It's on the 30. So it is 3:30. Fill that in. Amazing job. Over to the next one. The minute hand is down on the 6, so we know it's 30. The hour hand is in between the 2 and the 3, so we know it is 2:30. Alrighty, and I'm going to leave the rest for you to do because you are rocking it. All right, amazing job today, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. All right, tomorrow is Thursday, and you have your math little quiz kind of thing, and it's going to review halves and quarters. Remember, a half is 2 equal parts, and a quarter is 4 equal parts, and how to tell time to the hour and the half hour. I know you're going to rock it. And guess what? No math on Friday. All right, boys and girls, I miss you so very much. Remember, wash your hands. All right, love you. Bye.